Joe Beermaster, the Car Master here. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the airbag out of the steering column. This is a 2012 Kia Optima, but I assure you this goes for all kind of Kias. They're all very similar. So this one is removed. I'm going to give you this quick version of it, and then I'm going to show you steering column out, actually taking it out. So if you look at this column, there's a little hole in the side right there. There's one in the bottom, and there's one on the other side. So let's go to the steering column with the bag in. One thing you want to do is make sure the battery's disconnected. Anytime you deal with airbags items, make sure the battery's disconnected because they could deploy, and you have to be very careful. Because static electricity can set that airbag off, so be very careful. All right, so here's a steering column out of the car. We did replace the entire column. We're going to put the airbag back in. So we're going to start with this side here. On a sharp item like this, it's just a screwdriver. Push it in, see how it popped out? As soon as I push that in, the airbag popped out. I'm going to flip it to the other sides. I recommend you do the sides first, because if you do the top or the bottom, it doesn't make it easy for the sides to come out. So now I'm going to stick this in. You got to hit that right spot. It just doesn't pop. Sometimes you got to feel for it a little bit. And we'll eventually get it. I see it. It actually did release. I didn't realize it. Now we're going to go to the bottom. Flip it around. One-handed. Both sides are released there. You can see it actually coming out. Now we're going to go to the bottom. This is usually the easiest one. We're going to push that in. And there it goes. It's out. So now, to get these out, you want to slide these little orange pieces out with a very fine screwdriver, and then you pull these out. You gotta pry underneath to get it out, and always make sure the battery is disconnected. I can't say that enough. This could be very dangerous because, like I said, static electricity could actually set these off. So be very careful with handling this. Pop them up. This is a real thin screwdriver, see it? Once you get that out, that kind of releases it. You want to try to wiggle them. I usually got to get a little screwdriver and work it in there. Got to be very careful because you don't want to break nothing. See that? It popped out. Same thing with this one. All right. And then we have the third one, which is, I'm just going to pull that straight up. And there you go. There is the airbag. Got a little clip here that's holding the wires. Careful not to damage the wires at all. All right, don't touch those two. Very dangerous. If one of these deployed, it would actually shoot 10 to 15 stories up if it was laying on the ground. That's how dangerous this is. So be very careful. Now we're going to go over to the car. We're going to install it. Same way we got it out. We're going to connect the wires. And then we're just going to push it in. And it will hold. It'll self-lock. Again, we're going to make sure the battery is disconnected. Triple check. All right, now we're going to connect these three wires. And put that little orange safety clip down. This should have it. See that? All right. Can only go in one way, so don't force anything. Click it down, push it in. That secures it. Put the other one on. Wires being connected. I'm going to just line it up. Click it in. All right, now we're going to reconnect the battery. Horn should work. Everything should be fine. Beer Master, the Car Master, thanks for watching, and share this with a friend.